How's it going, everyone? This is Chase at Rocky Mountain ATV MC, and today we're showing you the Voyager Handguards from Cycra. All right, everyone, thank you for checking in. So today we are showing you the Voyager Handguards from Cycra, and what makes the Voyager unique is that these are actually designed specifically for adventure and touring motorcycles, and I'll explain why. The design of these is pretty cool. It's like a full wraparound handguard, but not quite. So you've got your aluminum handguard that installs to the outside of the handlebar like a full wraparound, but you'll notice that when you look at these, they don't have a clamp that goes on the inside of the handlebar, and there's a couple reasons for that. First of all, it makes the install process a lot easier. So they're gonna come with spacers included. These are bike specific. That is another thing you wanna remember, because different bikes will have different spacers that you thread into the end of the bar. But what's nice about not having that piece on the inside of the handlebar is with adventure bikes, a lot of times you might have an accessory dash panel, you've got a lot of accessories on the bars, so it can be difficult finding the mounting location for that. So with these, they leave that part open. So you still get the protection for your levers using those aluminum handguards, but you don't have to worry about the inside. Also, with these shields, I think they did a great job. It's a good looking shield. It offers a lot of coverage. What's cool too is that there's actually a spoiler here, so you can open those up if you want to get some airflow coming through those shields. So really cool handguard from Cycra. Again, these are the Voyagers. They're going to offer the protection with the aluminum guards that you're looking for. Mounting is simple. You don't have to worry about any cluster on the inside of the bar. So if you have an adventure touring bike and you're looking to get some handguards on there, definitely check out the Voyager. If you have questions or comments, we would like to get those answers, so make sure to leave those below. And to grab yours, you can click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. Orders over $75 ship free, which means these are going to ship free. And as always, get subscribed to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel to see really good adventure touring spotlights like you saw today. I'm Chase. We'll see you on the trails.